What if I told you that you can build an incredible physique without a single piece of gym equipment? Just your body, gravity, and commitment. Welcome to the world of calisthenics. Hey everyone, and today marks the beginning of something massive. We're launching a complete 30-day calisthenics series that will take you from absolute zero to advanced level skills. But here's the challenge. We're aiming to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of this series. So if you're ready to transform your body and be part of this journey, smash that subscribe button right now. So what exactly is calisthenics? Calisthenics comes from the Greek words kalos, meaning beauty, and stenos, meaning strength. It's the art of using your own body weight to build strength, flexibility, and control. No gym membership, no expensive equipment, just you versus gravity. Think of exercises like push-ups, pull-ups, squats, and dips, but these are just the beginning. Calisthenics goes way beyond basic exercises. We're talking about human flags, muscle-ups, planches, and handstand push-ups. Why should you start calisthenics? First, you can train anywhere, anytime. Your local park, your bedroom, a hotel room, the world is your gym. Second, it builds functional strength. You're not just lifting weights, you're mastering complete body control. Third, it's progressive. Whether you're a complete beginner or already athletic, there's always a next level to achieve. Fourth, it's completely free. Zero investment, maximum results. Here's what we're going to cover in the next 30 days. Week 1, we'll build your foundation with proper form, warm-ups, and basic movements. If you can't do a single push-up right now, don't worry, we've got you covered. Week 2, we'll develop your basic skills and start building real strength in your push, pull, and leg movements. Week 3, intermediate progressions. This is where things get exciting. Archer push-ups, negative pull-ups, and advanced core work. Week 4, advanced skills and techniques. By the end, you'll be doing full pull-ups, explosive movements, and preparing for elite level skills. But remember, this isn't just my journey, it's ours. Our goal, 100,000 subscribers in 30 days. Every single day, I'll upload a new video with one focused skill or technique. Each video will be short, actionable, and designed to get you results fast. So here's what you need to do right now. 1. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss a single day. 2. Comment below, "I'm in," if you're ready to commit to this 30-day transformation. 3. Share this video with anyone who wants to build strength without a gym. Tomorrow, we start with the essentials you must know before beginning any workout. Trust me, this will save you from injuries and wasted effort. This is day 1 of 30. Let's build something incredible together. See you tomorrow.